Good morning. Welcome to Pete's Garage. It is Thanksgiving weekend, which doesn't really mean much to me except I have a 4-day weekend and can get a lot done. So today I'm going to be re-gearing my Jeep because a couple weeks ago when we tried to go wheeling, I blew up the rear gears. So Chris, here's your gear video. So the Jeep has 488s. The differential is in who makes that? Auburn Ected? Yeah. So it's a e-locker, but it has a limited slip. So I'll have to remember to put limited slip oil in it as well. I may not have any of that. I'll have to check. And so today I'll be taking it all apart. Well, so I've determined that the problem with the gears was the pinion came loose. Why the pinion came loose, I don't know. But what I do know is that I'm curious as to why I did this, and I'm almost sure it's because I didn't have the right shims. But now I do, so I'm going to fix that. There's a shim under the bearing here, and there were two shims behind the race. And really, you should only do shims under the bearing or behind the race, but not both. And I'm sure I did that is because I ran out of shims. So I'm going to fix that. The gears themselves would set right back up. The pinion just came loose. Unfortunately, I drove 100 miles on loose gears, and it ate the gears and destroyed the seal. So, and also the pinion bearings are shot, but the carrier bearings are not. So that's good news. But the pinion gear, the ring gear, and the pinion bearings all got wasted because the pinion was wobbling inside the differential. So, I'll fix that, put my gears back together, replace everything, and I should be good to go. Hopefully, this set of gears will last longer than 6 months. But we'll see. Alright, so almost fixed. I think that seal is not quite right. It's still dripping just a little bit. So I may have overfilled the diff a little, but I also think that seal's not sealing well. So I have a better seal. I'm going to change it, and then I'm going to call it good. And if it drips just a little, then it's a Jeep. They drip.